Vei o ia minister e fito i tō noe le pūlenga o waa mawafu na whai masui e tau aina le sia ki tupe i le minister matanga lunga whaalapatunga tuma oti na whionga e le atinu u winso yalo. O le nei sao whanga na whai loa me wha maonia e le komiti whaafoe a le pūlenga o lo whaatu sadia e le tōs 45% o tupe maua. So e tūsima tau sanga whaale tupe na whae uina i dasa tau se furo iuni lua a whenua se futasi. O le ono aile o tau sanga ro whaua ue pūlenga na wha mawina se tupe mama ma whae e pūlenga o na tutongi tangata e umia sia e peo na e le malo Samoa e tolu se 45% e peo na e ilalo o le tula afuno whaalapatunga malo. Na wha leo le anga whaftai a minister matanga duenga o whaalapatunga tuma oti i le pūlenga e tusai ma le fisosoani wata aina mo malo.
Ya me yero leo e sai ma o ma e lika mo le doin pa sai te le lava skita to e wa ko ni me ano fa bo mo sta to na mago e te to no me na ni ma bu na ya sa to pa ti no ina me di te sa mo te a ya wa ya yo le to au mai to le ma ma ya ta ni ro ya le nganga na go e ko finga ma ro le so lo ye te ni ye ta ro ko i de fa ta ro ta to ma ma ro ta to tu ta to na ta o so so ni me ta mo mo a ye se ba no te un papa o ye te le o na me mo le wa ya fa fe lo to ko ti ya le ya pa ma na ile ma ro te le o ta to
Solo nei mawalese mo Samoa Taulogologo. Faalian lang sua matai mali i ofio anga i poloketi mo makete tinano fotani o nisi ofio anga i nei upolu sa tiringane nei i le ripoti. I le whaipa anga e to banga mo i poponga tia whaalapatunga society mo polkala me fisosoani. Malmalo uni Europa e ale il fatpeino le poloketi o le no fotani a wal fisosoani e tinano fotani. Ai mai se tina mai ta i re ye ninga luenga le fausia to mai manga va mo nga si ai no metau lima a wale fata wina atu a wale tupe mau fisosoani ai nga mafio anga o se tasi la poloketi o fa mau wina le telo ai nga o manui ai mai se na si e fa ala patunga society por kala me fisosoani o ni si afia anga per por kala me to o manga mo e poponga tia e ala i marketia no futan ai o metau lima nga osi la e o mai o na suina la autoto o fuala o ina fa pe fa li wa umana na langaina o nei o loa umana nga lue puno wa e tina mai tai o lo ilalo polo karamele ne market no tani le taula mo to manga o le anga tonu fo ilia o le fatino ina i polo karamele ne ya to manga fa pe long sua society ile nei mai tau a fa mana tu ina i ele lalangi le se fulu ono aso te eto il sawa ino tina mai tai e pe ona ele vai aso botua nai solo nei mobilise mo Samoa Taulogologo. Maola fesi na malolonga pupu mo fasalonga fa pisinisi ona totally mai le nganga na fa Britania. Your TV2 News will be right back after this short commercial break.
Mai moa ma whaafafonga i le polo kalame o le kerisi masi ilo ainga i lunga o le TV lua. I pese pesenga masiva whaale nganga a wale alo atu le kerisi masi o le nei tausanga. Ma o le ata talaina i le aso se fulu male lua e le EFKS mai lo tofanga. Ma e awina tu sa watu i lunga o lau TV lua a wau mai moanga. Aso se fulu male tolu EFKS mai VAISALA i le motu tele sala fai. Aso se fulu male fa EFKS la mangoto. Aso se fulu male lima EFKS VAOTUPUA i FALEALUPO i le mea ngoto i aile la. Aso se fulu male ono EFKS VAILELE. Aso se fulu male fitu EFKS fusi sa fotu la fai. Aso se fulu male valu EFKS lufi. Aso se fulu male iba tanoa o le ia. Aso lua se fulu EFKS sa matai. Aso lua se fulu male tasi EFKS le au vaa. Aso lua se fulu male lua EFKS fausanga. Aso lua se fulu male tolu EFKS VAIVASE tai. Ai taua lunga ele EFKS mai papa SATAUA mai le motu tele sala fai. Ua mawhai on awina atu on ole langalanga malusi mai. Ole matanga luenga o whainga whaiwa ma whaato anga. PSL Limited, VAISALA Hotel, Samoa Commercial Bank, Male WT Media. Awane MCA, keep watching on TV2. Merry Christmas!
Talofa and welcome back to our TV2 News for this evening. Leading our bulletin, the Cabinet has approved the extension of the state of emergency order for COVID-19. Here's more on this report.
The Cabinet, after its meeting last week, Wednesday, confirmed another extension for proclamation for COVID-19, as well as the extension of state of emergency order for COVID-19 pandemic. These amendments include the opening hours for other services on Sundays, such as hiking and golf, is now allowed under the state of emergency order for COVID-19 from 12 p.m. as well as supermarkets will also be open from 6 a.m. and hotel bars on Sunday from 12 p.m. for those who are dining in at restaurants. The extension of proclamation for state of emergency came into effect yesterday, the 20th of December 2021, and will be reviewed after the 16th of January 2022. By Muntalo Ale for TV2 News.
The Ministry of Police arrested 8 people during a drug raid over the weekend. Here's more on this report.
The Ministry of Police and Prison over the weekend arrested 8 suspects after seizing 19 grams of methamphetamine during a raid at the Maali Street at VAILELE. According to other media reports, states that the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Paulong Filipo, said 8 people arrested are also on bail for the same crime, and it seems like they don't regret doing this kind of offense. The 8 defendants include 2 females and 4 males and are scheduled to appear in the Supreme Court on the 30th of January 2022. Police also discovered utensils used to smoke the drug and stolen properties, which police intend to return to their owners if located. Awapa'au said police are prepared for an increase in the use of illegal drugs during the festive season and has warned the sellers and users to refrain from the practice as police continue its efforts to keep Samoa safe and drug-free. By Muntalo Ale for TV2 News.
Samoa Port Authority presents a 3.2 million tala dividend check to the Ministry of Public Enterprises. Here's more on this report. This is the 6th consecutive year Samoa Port Authority has recorded a profit which has allowed SPA to pay its shareholder, the government of Samoa, 35% as stipulated under the Public Bodies Act. The dividend declared and approved by the SPA Port represents 35% of the audited net profits for the financial year concluded on 30th of June this year. The Honourable Minister of Works, Transport and Infrastructure, Honourable Olofitivaai, presented on behalf of the Chairman and the Board of Directors, the management and staff at Samoa Port Authority, a dividend check of 3,182,748 tala to the Minister of the Ministry of Public Enterprises, Honourable Latino Yalo. The past 5 years have seen SPA turn in optimal financial performance since its inception in 1999. This financial year has seen Samoa Port Authority maintain that same in a remarkable one financial in light of the contraction in port activities due to the prolonged state of emergency restrictions. This is the highest net profit achieved by the authority since it was set up 22 years ago, and the authority noted having paid to the government a combined total of more than 16 million tala in dividends from 2016 to 2021. The Minister of Public Enterprises, Latino Yalo, acknowledged the authority for the contribution in Samoa government through this dividend. Samoa Port Authority wishes to express its warmest appreciation to all the port users and stakeholders for their patronage and cooperation which have contributed to the excellent results. Solonema Walese for TV2 News. The Nofotane Markets project shows support of Matai and village in some villages in Bolu. Here's more on this report. In partnership with Samoa Victim Support Group, Civil Society Support Program, and the European Union government through the funding of the Nofotane project to assist both Nofotane women and women who are employed in building skills and competencies for the production of handicrafts, for marketing, for income, to help families and communities. This is one of the projects that has seen many successful families, especially when the society visited some villages for the SPSG program for Nofotane Mark witness a variety of handicrafts, design, clothing, plants, fruits and woven mats. All of these products have been actively worked on by women under the Nofotane Market program, which is spearheaded by SPSG. It is the spirits that SPSG program and the society supports. This season has the world celebrate 16 days of activism against violence. Solone Mobilese for TV2 News. And that concludes our TV2 News for this year. On behalf of our team, we would like to wish Samoa a Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Good night. Maolfa inga nalo Samoa Taulogologo le nei tausanga e manuia telele alo atu Samoa ile whamanatu inore ke risimasi ma le tausanga fou. So far, so far.